It's really powerful to be able to see the work that we're doing at the state.
We have chicken veggie soup with rice.
The implementation of plans actually making an impact in people's lives, and I think that that is what is behind the mission of the MPCA, but we don't always get to see it in action every day. So being able to be here with the people who are doing this work that we are supporting behind the scenes and wanting to raise up is really great.
And then you'll grab an apron.
From our standpoint, we know that emissions from landfills and methane are really powerful greenhouse gases that are a significant source of greenhouse gases across the state. And being able to meet a local need and support local producers while reducing emissions is just a win-win-win. We're hopeful that this type of example will be able to be leveraged through the climate smart food systems and emulated elsewhere across the state.